guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about another unboxing of a shoes. And here with me right now is my sister. Her name is Bernie Time. So, kung bago lang po kayo sa channel ko, sorry, nabubulol ako kasi she's English speaking kasi. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share turn on the post notification bell. So today, I think napakagandang unboxing ng gagawin namin ngayon because it's about shoes again. And where did it? Get the box. So obviously supposed to be unboxing, but the thing is I'm really excited because the story about this is sobrang nakakapagod, as in grabe. Like 5 days ako nag-wait sa box na to. Every time na i-deliver nila to sa bahay namin, there's like nobody's here. So kasi kailangan ng signature ko. So parang back and forth lang ako ng back and forth. And then finally, today, as in kita nyo naman, naka-uniform pa ako. Finally, ma-unbox na namin to. Actually, na-unbox naman na namin na to. Pero hindi namin tinake off. I mean, niremove lang namin to. And then, I decided na mag-unbox kami for you guys. So, hope you guys like this unboxing video. So, my sister, you do the honors. So, I bought this from footlocker.com. And I bought it to footlocker.com. Yun. I bought a slides for
fake
my
Gucci flip-flops.
Hell no. It's not fake. It's from Foot Locker. It's a Vans. It's for my yung sa pamangkin ko kay Joanna. So she requested this. Sabi niya kasi gusto niya ng Vans. So nagtatry ako pumunta sa mga Vans stores, sa mall, sa outlet mall. Talagang wala sila, as in. So talagang sa online mo lang siya makikita. So talagang kaya bilhin ko to online. Ito siya. Vans. Legit siya. Original siya. It's $35. It costs $35. I think nakaganito siya eh. Yan. Sobrang ano nito. Comfy, I think. Tama-tama sa summer. Kasi summer yung uwi ko, guys. So, watch out for all my vlogs in the Philippines. So, sana magustuhan nyo yan. Ito siya. This is size 8. I think it's comfy and it's nice. Next one is, what's that?
Her shoes.
Sa inside of the box.
Okay, so I'm basically gonna unbox this and not you. And
Show them what kind of shoes it is like.
we have Adidas, as you know. Yes, we all love that brand whatsoever. Okay.
It's an NMD Originals. Size 9 US sa akin.
And we have the shoe, as you know.
Yeah.
Yay.
This kind of shoes is the NMD 1 original, and the color, it's size 9. The color I think is like gold with like brownish, something like that. And this is so
Looks like gray to me.
yeah, gray or brown, whatever. I forgot the color.
I
when
think I'm
chose it.
colorblind. Am I colorblind?
I'm colorblind because of this light. It keeps on going to my eyes.
I forgot the color, but let me double check. Yeah, right there. So this is one of their originals. Sobrang ganda rin ng box nila. Sobrang parang wala lang. Ganon. So this is the NMD one. Yan. Sa loob, pag tinatch nyo yung loob, sobrang soft niya. Medyo hard kasi may ganito. I was like, yun.
That's
May
what
shoelace, and then ang nagdala kasi dito is yung gold touch niya. Sobrang cute. Tapos yan. Ang gusto ko kasi yung part dito is this part. Yan.
As you know.
Ano no, kasi to, hindi kasi to ano eh, madaling madumihan, and sobrang soft, I think. Yeah. Kung di nyo po alam guys, mahilig talaga ako sa mga shoes eh. Kung alam ko lang na pwedeng maging kontento, sana lahat ng shoes na meron ako is in-unbox ko na. But, yun nga, I decided na gawin ko to para sa inyo, para makita nyo rin. And then yung loob niya, kasi iba kasi yung sa picture or iba yung, di ba? Sa loob niya nakalagay boost. Yan. I don't know if you guys could see it, but this is so cool. Yan. Parang tayo nagme-makeup tutorial, right? So, yun guys. I hope you guys nagkaroon kayo sana ng idea. Sobrang soft niya talaga, as in. Sobrang, pag pinasok niyo yung kamay niyo sa loob, sobrang comfy talaga na, as in, parang wow, papagano na lang kayo. So, I know it's kind of boring my unboxing today because I'm with my sister, but I'm just kidding. So, hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then like it. Press the like button. And kung meron pa kayong mga suggestions or something na gusto nyo i-unbox ko, just comment down below. Kung meron pa kayong ibang alam na gusto nyo i-unbox ko or i-review or whatever. This is my first time to do second time na nag-unbox ako. But, I'll try to do a review, diba? Para naman sa inyong lahat. So, yun, sobrang cute din ng ng Vans na to. Sobrang soft, as in, grabe. Soft yung dito niya. And then here, there's like Vans off the wall. So,
Just like for my shoe, it's broken.
yeah.
I don't know why.
Baka ako magsuot ito sa Pinas pero I already have one. I have Nike. I should unbox that one, but it's alright. I like the color because, I might buy another one, like lighter color next time, but I'm not pretty sure. It depends. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it, and hope you guys, I don't know what my sister did today to this video.
Okay.
But she's amazing.
I have a story.
She is so excited to visit the Philippines, and I'm so happy for her, and she's amazing. How many times did I say amazing to you? Did you count it?
I don't know.
So, but thank you guys for always being there for us and for watching my channel. I really appreciate that. And sana marami pa akong ma-inspire sa inyo. And yun nga, excited na ako umuwi din to visit the Philippines. Like, for almost 10 years hindi ako nakauwi.
I'm turning 12 in Easter.
Yeah, so yun guys, maraming salamat. Kaya like what I've said, kung meron kayong mga comments or meron kayong suggestions, comment down below. So hindi ko napapahabain to kasi paulit-ulit na, pagod na rin ako. I just came from work. Obvious naman ako, uniform pa ako, and time for us to eat dinner. So hope you guys like this video, and you guys have a wonderful day. Peace. Bye-bye.
I came home from school.
Say bye-bye. Peace.
Bye.
Thank you.
Help me help.